Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for jewelry and watches, business easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know much about coding. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, let's enter the website. So here you can get started from here, or if you want to see templates, so let's go with here with templates. So here you can choose the topic. You can choose the topic, and you can choose the type of your business. So here you can choose from here your site, what's your site is about. You can choose jewelry, and you can describe your site here. So for example, let's say jewelry and watches business, and now click next. What are your top goals? Collect donations or build a community, sell services, sell online courses, sell products, sell membership. So you can also choose whatever you want from here. Promote a physical business, or promote an event or project. So let's continue. How do you like to get started? So let's go with this. So here you can choose the type, and you can choose the topic from here. So the jewelry is not here. So let's go. So here you can choose any template you want from here, or if you wanna create or build your own templates, let's go get started. Here you can enter your site name, type any name you want. So let's continue. Here you can build your home page. You can here choose your intro section, choose any section you want. Here you can choose your product section, and here you can choose the services section, here about section, and the social section, the form section, and the last is the footer section. So let's continue. Here you can add page to your site. You can here choose the color theme, and here you can choose the font. So let's finish this. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can choose if you want to skip or continue. Personalize your homepage text faster than ever. So I'm gonna skip this. Just let's skip. So here, this is your homepage website. Here you can change the desktop, the style or the view. You can make it like a desktop view or like a mobile view, like this. So I'm gonna just keep it like this. So here the site size, you can edit the site size from here. So first here we have the fonts. So here you can switch the fonts back. You can edit the headings, the paragraphs, and the buttons, and also here you can reset fonts back. So let's get back and let's move on to the colors. So here you can customize your themes, choose any theme you want. So for example, here you can edit the color theme of the site title or the navigation links, and here you can also change the color of the site wide, of the section background, or the background overlay, or the inset border, or the section divider stroke. Here also you can edit the color theme of the text, the heading, and the paragraph, and the text highlights and the background color. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the animations. So here you can change the animations. You can make it, you can set none. So you can set none, you can set scale, you can set slide or clip or flex. Here you can edit, the speed. You can make it slow or medium or fast or whatever you want. So that's it. Now let's move on to the spacing. Also here you can change the page width max and the size margin. So that's it. And now let's move on to the buttons. Also here you can change the primary buttons. You can change the text, the shape and the outline. You can edit it. You can apply this to all buttons type, and also you can reset the button size. Also you can edit the secondary buttons and the tertiary buttons. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image blocks. So here you can edit, you can search for something on the image blocks. You can edit the image block poster. You can here edit the text alignments, the content width, the title separation and the button separation. And also here you can edit the image block, the card, the content position. Here you can edit the text alignments, the image width and the image separation, the title separation and the button separation. So that's it. Now let's close this, and here you can edit your home page. So first here we have the site header. You can edit it from here. Click here, and now you can edit the site, the title logo. You can change the site title if you don't like it. You can also change, you can add your logo image here, logo from your library for jewelry and watches business. And also here you can add your mobile logo image. So that's it. You can edit the elements. You can turn this on, the buttons. Also you can turn the social links. You can edit the social links. Here you can edit the social icon size. You can edit the border. Here if you want to turn this on, the language switch. You can also change the style icon. Here you can edit the cart icon size, and also you can turn this on, show zero in cart. So that's it. Here you can edit, you can fix turn this on, fix the position, and also you can edit the size here. You can make it dynamic or theme or whatever you want. So that's it. Let's move on now to the next section. So here, this is the product section. You can edit here the button label. Click here and you can change the color. You can also change the text on the label. Click here, and here you can change the text. You can change the design. Also you can duplicate the section. Just click on it and you can duplicate it from here, or if you want to delete it from here. So that's it. If you want to add some section, just click here, add section, and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page from here. So that's it. If you want to save the section, you can save it from here. You can move it down or move it up. You can remove it from here. If you want to delete some section, just for example, if you want to delete this image, click here and delete it. And you can add instead of it an image, another image. Just click here, wait a few seconds. So click here and you can select from your library or from free image. So for example, let's search here jewelry and watches. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose wherever you want. This is just for example. So you can make it larger or smaller as you like. So this is the image. You can add any image you want at any place. So this is just for example. Here you can edit the text and the button label. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, all you have to do now is save this, and you can now start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.